story time about the time I go for my cousin's birthday and we get a radam. So I did my hair. Yeah, I get bad locks them, but put some braid over it. Alright guys, so I am going abroad for my cousin's birthday. I just finished doing my hair myself. I'm not proud of me. Okay, so I haven't packed. It's after 12. We're just done my ear. So we're officially on the day that I'm supposed to leave. I'm gonna pack it and we're just gonna go. We're only going for 2 nights and 1 day. Yeah, so I'm not really need no bully or something, but I'm gonna need 2 little things. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. So get me go pack and try to sleep so we can wake up in the morning. If you left the house 8 o'clock, so we can reach at the airport. And then we reach at the airport, we go about business and come back. The next time you see me, I should be either at the train station going, or on the train going, or at the airport. So guys, I'm outside. I look back and I'm on my way. So I don't know what I'm on my way to the airport. Yeah, I'm a little bit late because my bus just run past me. So I have to go wait for the next one or just take something to reach the train station because I'm going to Manhattan airport near to me, and I have like an hour and a half train ride to get to the airport. So me try. So at this point, my auto race and I will the bus for go because I gonna miss the flight. Me late, but I did stop at McDonald's and get my breakfast because I was very hungry. So I hurry up and get to the train station. No, there was a lot of people down there because there were so many delays, hundreds of people. So the first train will come, I miss it. So I think so now I gonna miss the flight. So you know, say the next train will come, I did have to squeeze on myself on it. So while I'm on the train now, my cousin texts me with a radam. And it was at this point I realized why I had so many delays that morning. The lady na dropped down the stairs and broke her foot for her birthday. What could really go so? So anyways, me take myself off of the people them train and go back on my yard. And then on my way back, me see that little man here drunk like a bat at that early hours of the morning. Me couldn't believe so I did have to record it for Jerome. Moral of the story, anytime I delayed, it's for a reason. Anywho, it's her birthday this week, so go and big her up in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye!